Good morning, YouTube. So the 2004 Toyota Sequoia, Sunday morning, had a wear ring blowout on the gold ski. Other than that, it ran great yesterday. That's 2 days worth of riding on it. This morning, I'm working on the exterior door handles, and that's the left rear, or right rear, right front. Let's do it again. Right front. So it's passenger front, passenger rear. Ah, what a pain in the balls. And then driver's front, driver's rear. Why is driver's rear not working? What's that, the delay timer's off? Oh, because it's double pulse in the rear. Well, it works. Those little relays are sick. I recommend putting them in anything. I'm gonna make it some interior lights, circuits out of them as well. I'll keep you guys posted. Complete.